Step into a realm of tranquility with this contemporary outdoor garden, where a chic L-shaped patio invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Bathed in the gentle embrace of natural sunlight, the modern patio features an expertly crafted wooden seating area that serves as its centerpiece. With built-in cushions, this seating arrangement combines style and comfort, showcasing 3 square cushions adorned with striking geometric patterns in shades of blue and green, complemented by a solid green cushion for a touch of harmony. Flanking the seating area, lush flower beds burst forth with a kaleidoscope of vibrant flowers, creating a visual feast for the senses. Here, shades of red, pink, and purple bloom amidst a backdrop of rich green foliage, enhancing the garden's overall vibrancy. At the heart of the patio lies a rectangular wooden planter box, brimming with a delightful mix of flowers and herbs. Prominent among them are fragrant purple lavender, cheerful red marigolds, and lively orange zinnias, offering a sensory delight that engages both the eyes and the nose. The patio's flooring is laid with large square tiles in a sophisticated blend of beige and gray, arranged in a clean diagonal pattern that adds a contemporary flair to the space. This stylish choice of materials complements the wooden seating and the vibrant flowers, creating a cohesive aesthetic that speaks to modern design principles. In the backdrop, a wooden fence with vertical slats provides a sense of privacy while enhancing the overall structure of the garden. Tall, neatly trimmed bushes and trees rise majestically behind the fence, contributing height and a sense of enclosure that allows for serene moments of solitude or intimate gatherings. This outdoor garden embodies a contemporary design ethos where clean lines and natural materials converge to create an inviting atmosphere. The photograph captures the essence of this picturesque patio oasis, showcasing its tranquil beauty and the intricate interplay of colors and textures under the warm embrace of daylight. Whether for a quiet afternoon of reflection or lively social gatherings, this modern patio serves as an idyllic retreat, harmoniously blending nature and design.